Welcome to the PPMC Web Portal tutorial series. This video will walk you through the process of adding a new referral. In this tutorial, we will review the following procedures: locating the patient record for which we will create the referral, determining if that patient is eligible for a referral, a review of the patient search screen, as well as locating the Add New Referral link, an overview of the patient referral submission screen, as well as a walkthrough of the referral screen fields, including an explanation of CPT codes and modifiers. Let's begin. When you initially log into the portal, the first page displayed is the patient search screen. This is where you should begin. Start by searching for a patient. This can be done in many combinations. For example, by using the last name or last and first name combination. You can also search by member ID or phone number. Additional fields such as primary care provider, eligibility date, and birth date will just refine your search to fewer returned records. To begin this process, we will enter the last name Watts, and for the first name, just the letter C. Then click on the search button. For this example, we have one record return, and this just happens to be the member we were looking to create the new referral. But before we proceed, admins need to ensure this member is eligible. The eligibility status is noted in the second column. If a user is eligible, it will be represented with a green checkmark icon. If the user is not eligible, it will display a red X icon. In the event the red X icon does appear, admin should contact customer service. Reviewing the returned record and determining that the member is in fact eligible, we can proceed with adding a new referral. To do so, simply click on the member name link in the first column, which will display the patient search details screen. Our top table displays additional patient details, but the important table for this process is our second table, which are the patient referrals and authorizations. Here you can review past referrals if there are any to display, or simply click on the Add New Referral link located here. Doing so will begin the creation of a new referral for this member. Depending on the amount of records each admin has access to, this page may take a few seconds to load, so be patient. When it has completely loaded, you will see the following sections displayed: a patient information table, a procedures and services table, including an area with information regarding the rendering provider, diagnosis codes, and CPT codes. In addition, a comments table, as well as the ability to attach a file to this referral. So to begin creating a referral, start at the patient information screen by clicking on the drop-down and selecting a referring provider from the list provided. As we move to the rendering provider section of the procedures and services table, we begin with the service location. For our example, it is defaulted to 11, office. If this is the location, you can move forward to the service level. If this is not the location, simply select the pull-down menu and select from one of the options provided. If the location is unknown, the final entry in the drop-downs is UN unknown. An admin can select that option and move forward to the service level. Service level has two options available: regular and urgent. The initial communication to create this referral should note which option to choose. If you are unsure, you can always speak with your supervisor for further guidance. The next option is submission type. This will default to referral. If the admin is requesting a retro referral for services that have already been rendered, simply click on the drop-down list and change the option to retro. If a retro submission is being submitted, make sure to include the date of service in the comments section below. The next option is to select a specialty. For this example, we're going to select allergy and immunology. Your previous selections will determine the options available as you move forward with this referral. When selecting the rendering provider, our records indicated that Joseph Church was our option to select. Simply highlight that name and move forward to your next option. The next option is office contact. If that information has been provided, add that into the text field provided below rendering provider. If this information is unknown, simply move to your next option, which is selecting the facility or performing, if this is necessary. For this referral, we will select Children's Hospital of Los Angeles and continue to our diagnosis code section. If you have been provided with diagnosis codes, simply enter those into the text fields provided in this section. The final section in the Procedures and Services table are the CPT codes. CPT stands for Current Procedural Terminology. This is a medical code set that is used to report medical, surgical, and diagnostic procedures and services to entities such as physicians, health insurance companies, and accreditation organizations. If you have been provided with CPT code details, simply complete the provided fields with details for the CPT codes, units, as well as any modifiers. Let's take a moment to explain the Mod 1 and Mod 2 fields. Mod is short for modifiers. CPT modifiers are two character suffixes that healthcare providers or coders attach to a CPT code to give additional information about the procedure documented. CPT modifiers are always 2 characters in length. They may consist of 2 numbers from 21 to 99, 2 letters, or a mix, alphanumeric. These modifiers are appended to the initial CPT code by a hyphen. Some examples of common CPT modifiers include 53, discontinued procedure, 59, distinct procedural service. Some common letter-based modifiers include LT, denotes a procedure on the left side of the body. RT, denotes a procedure on the right side of the body. Returning to our referral submission form, the CPT code has been added, and by typing the number, this application automatically provides the CPT code description. Ensuring the units and modifier have been added properly to the form fields, please note the Add CPT button. Once the admin has completed the CPT and modifier details, simply click on Add CPT to add that CPT information to the referral form for submission. Repeat this process until all CPT codes have been added before moving to the next section. Our next section is the comment text box. Use this area to add any additional information regarding this claim, as well as utilizing the file upload function below that to attach any files needed to accompany this referral. Our final option prior to submitting this referral is a checkbox denoting that this is a referral being submitted per the patient's request. Click that if applicable. Finally, click on the Submit Referral button, and you have now completed the steps necessary to submit a referral. After submitting the referral, you will be taken to the Referral Details page. Let's recap what we've learned during our Creating a Referral tutorial. How to locate the patient record to be used to generate the new referral, determining if a patient is eligible for a new referral, a review of the patient's search screen highlighting the Add a New Referral link, an overview of the patient referral submission screen, and finally a walkthrough of the referral screen fields, including a detailed explanation of the CPT codes and modifiers. This concludes our walkthrough for the Creating a Referral process. For additional questions, please feel free to call or email our PPMC Web Portal Help Desk